Speak, listen, hub. Talk show.
Hello. You look very nice.
Thank you. You look good too.
Where do you live now?
I live near the river.
Is it far from here?
No, it's very close actually.
I want to see it.
Yes, you can come sometime.
Is your house big or small?
It is not very big.
How many rooms are there?
We have 5 rooms total.
That is a good size.
Yes, it is perfect for us.
How many people live there?
My mom, dad, sister, and me.
So 4 people in total?
Yes, we all live together.
Do you have your own room?
Yes, I have my room.
That is so cool.
I like to decorate it.
What is in your room?
My bed, books, and photos.
Do you have a desk?
Yes, I study at night.
What color is your room?
It is light pink inside.
That sounds very pretty.
Thank you. I love it.
Do you have plants too?
Yes, I have 2 plants.
I also want some plants.
You can get small ones.
I have a big room.
Is it just for you?
Yes, but it's messy.
You must clean it then.
I will, maybe this week.
I clean my room weekly.
Do you clean it alone?
Sometimes my sister helps me.
What does your house look like?
It is white and small.
Is it a one-floor house?
Yes, just 1 floor only.
Do you have a garden?
Yes, with flowers and vegetables.
I love gardens so much.
You should see ours sometime.
Do you water the plants?
Yes, every morning before school.
That is a good habit.
It helps me feel calm.
Is your house old or new?
It is not very old.
How long have you lived there?
We lived there 5 years.
That's a long time already.
Yes, many memories are there.
Do you have a balcony?
No balcony, but a porch.
I like porches more actually.
We sit there in evenings.
That sounds peaceful and quiet.
Yes, I read books there.
What does your kitchen look like?
It is small but clean.
Do you cook in it sometimes?
Yes, I help my mom.
What do you like to cook?
I like to make rice.
I like rice too.
Do you cook at home?
I help with breakfast sometimes.
That is very nice.
What is your favorite room?
My room, of course.
Mine is the living room.
What is in your living room?
A sofa, TV, and books.
We have that too.
Do you watch TV together?
Yes, we watch every evening.
What do you watch usually?
Mostly movies and music shows.
I like music shows too.
Do you play music at home?
Yes, with my small speaker.
I have a radio only.
That is cool too.
I listen to it daily.
What is near your house?
A park and a small shop.
That is very useful.
Yes, I go there often.
Do you know your neighbors?
Yes, they are very kind.
That is always nice.
They help us when needed.
Is your house clean usually?
Yes, we clean it together.
My mom does all cleaning.
You should help her more.
I know. I will try.
Cleaning is not very hard.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6.
That is early. Why?
To help my mom cook.
You are very helpful.
Thank you. I try always.
Do you study at home?
Yes, every day after lunch.
I study at night instead.
That's okay too.
What do you like best at home?
My window with sunset view.
That sounds really beautiful.
I look at it daily.
My room has a tree view.
That is very peaceful.
Yes, I like trees a lot.
Do birds come to it?
Yes, in the early morning.
That must sound nice.
Yes, I like the sound.
Do you live in a flat?
No, a small two-floor house.
Who lives on the top floor?
My uncle and his family.
Do you eat meals together?
Sometimes, on special days.
That is lovely.
What color is your house?
Outside, it is light yellow.
That must look very bright.
Yes, it looks warm always.
My house is gray outside.
That can look modern too.
Yes, it looks clean and simple.
Do you have stairs inside?
Yes, wooden stairs near kitchen.
I love wooden stairs.
They make soft sounds when stepped.
That is so nice.
I want to see your house.
You can visit next weekend.
Really? I would love that.
You can meet my family.
I will bring a small gift.
That is very kind of you.
What does your dad do?
He works in a bank.
My dad is a teacher.
That is a nice job.
My house is full of books.
Mine too. We love reading.
Reading makes home more fun.
Yes, and also more quiet.
Do you sleep early at home?
I sleep around 9 usually.
I sleep at 10 mostly.
That is not too late.
Yes, I get up early.
What do you eat at home?
Rice, lentils, and vegetables mostly.
Same here. Simple and good.
Home food is the best.
Yes, I love home meals.
Do you eat with family?
Yes, we eat together nightly.
That is a good habit.
We talk and laugh then.
My family also does that.
I think that is special.
Homes are not just buildings.
Yes, they are full of love.
Your house sounds very nice.
Yours sounds lovely too.
I will visit your home soon.
And I will visit yours too.
Then we can talk more.
Maybe we can study together.
Good idea. You help me.
And you can help too.
I will bring snacks also.
Then you are always welcome.
Thank you. I am excited.
Me too. See you soon.
Bye. Say hi to your family.
I will. Say hi too.
Let's meet after school tomorrow.
Yes. Let's walk and talk.
We can talk about gardens.
Or about our kitchen food.
I love food talks always.
Then you will love my house.
I already do.
See you soon.